This low-carb sausage and bacon quiche was so good. My husband and I almost eat half of it in one setting. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and scramble up 1 pound of breakfast sausage, and I'm using turkey sausage. If you are new to my channel or my page, you can add a half a teaspoon of sage to that turkey sausage. You won't hardly be able to tell it's not pork sausage. Now I'm going to use a half a pack of mushrooms. These are white mushrooms, and that's probably about a cup. And once you get that sausage done, make sure you drain all the fat off of it if there's any on it. And I like to wash mine. And then we are going to add the mushrooms. And you want your stovetop eye on to simmer. Go ahead and put the lid on it. And we're going to let this simmer while we cut up some vegetables. I'm starting out with an onion, and I'm only going to use a third of this onion. And I am using an 8 by 11 casserole dish. If you have a large family and you want to use a 9 by 13, you can certainly do that. Just double this recipe. Go ahead and dice up that onion. Then we're going to dice 1/3 of a bell pepper. You can use whatever color you like. And then we're going to put them in a glass bowl and just put them in the microwave for 1 minute to soften them. Grab an 8 by 11 baking dish. Go ahead and oil that. And I am using olive oil for that. Then we are going to add our sausage and mushroom. Bell peppers. Diced onions. You will need some bacon. Now I have to use turkey bacon due to my allergies, and what I like to do is when I bring home a pack of turkey bacon, here's a tip for you guys, go ahead and just cut that bacon up and put it in a bag so that when you just need a little bit for a recipe, you do not have to unthaw a whole pack. Now you're going to want to cook this bacon first, and I put mine in my air fryer. I didn't get the turkey bacon really crispy, but I did cook it first and layer it, and then we are going to crack open some eggs. I am using 7 eggs. You can use more eggs if you would like, but 7 eggs was plenty for my husband and I. Once you've got your eggs cracked open, we're going to want to add some half and half. And I'm just guesstimating. I added about 1/3 of a cup to this, and you can certainly use milk. You can use half and half, just whichever you would like to use. Go ahead and whisk this up, and you guys didn't know I owned a whisk, did you? I rarely ever use that whisk, but it worked. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit there. And you're going to add some salt and pepper and a half a teaspoon or maybe 1/3 of a teaspoon of garlic. Give this another whisk. My camera cut off, so I didn't quite get to capture me adding the eggs, but I did add them. We are going to cover this with some aluminum foil, put it in the oven on 350 degrees on convect for about 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, take it out, and we're not through yet. We're going to top it with some cheese, just some sliced cheese. This is real cheese, and you can top it with whatever kind of cheese you want to use. So we'll put it back in the oven on broil for just a minute or two. Really watch this. And voila, this is so good. My husband just really kept bragging this one up, and it was. I bragged too. I patted myself on the shoulder. Sometimes you got to do that, guys. And you can see we really enjoyed this one. I hope y'all have a great evening.